Assalamu alaikum, everyone. A very good morning. I hope you had your coffees and the caffeine is kicking in and you're all set for this two-day amazing event. Great. Uh, I'm Aman Khan. I am the regional head for KSA at Blueprint Technologies. I've been working with Blueprint for the last almost 9 years now in the Saudi geography. We started in Saudi back in 2014, and I am one of the initial people who was instrumental in developing the Saudi market. But yeah, so just to introduce who we are basically a SAP Gold partner, but we are more of a SAP cloud transformation company. We have been in existence since 2011, so 13 years in the business now. We are a core SAP powerhouse, as we call ourselves. We completely focus on SAP. We have 260 plus SAP consultants. We are present in a large number of geographies. We are headquartered in Bangalore, but we have offices across Saudi, Dubai, US, Canada, and pretty soon we are opening up in Nordics as well. Along our journey in the last 13 years, as we say, we have done 80 plus pure implementation projects on SAP across different technologies of SAP. And we have at the moment 125 plus global customers. But Middle East is our primary market where we have a lot of success stories that we bring in. Along our journey of the last 13 years, we have been very successful in delivering a lot of transformation projects for a lot of companies. And we have been recognized and awarded by SAP and the clients as well. So 17 plus accolades that we have until now on the various projects that we have done. What do we do? How do we bring value? What differentiates us from any other ERP service provider in the market? We have a lot of our own bolt-on solutions or SAP certified products that work along with the SAP solutions to enhance and deliver the value, added value that the clients are looking at. As I said, we are a cloud transformation partner, and what do we do? We use various SAP technologies, be it the ERP, S4HANA, success factors, your data analytics, your travel and expense management, the customer management, Qualtrics. Using all of those technologies, we try to build a roadmap for the clients, understand what is their current, where do they stand, what are they looking to achieve in the next 5 to 10 years of timelines, and work with them through this journey by bringing a lot of digital innovations, which are something that is built in-house, and walking them on this complete digital transformation journeys, right? So along this, in this whole journey, we try to revolutionize the whole, where a company stands today and what is it trying to achieve using all the latest technologies. So we are heavily investing on the AI and the center of excellence that we have in. We are developing a lot of solutions which helps a lot of specific and unique requirements which clients come up with, right? So, so doing all of that, we try to have a sustainable and tangible benefits for the customers eventually on a longer run, right? So just to summarize what we do SAP consulting services, right? So we try to understand what is the client's current landscape. We try to understand in depth by doing some workshops. We try to bring in, tell them what the best practices are and try to build a future roadmap for the clients. Once all of this is done, then we on board into our implementation journey with the clients. It can be a greenfield implementation. It can be a migration from an on-prem to cloud, or it can be a complete, migration of client from some other ERP, be it Oracle, Microsoft, onto SAP Cloud, right? We pretty much focus on it a lot, and we have a lot of success stories in the implementations and migrations. Application management services is also something that we really, take proud of. We have managed the large SAP landscapes consisting of a large number of, almost all of the SAP solutions for a large number of clients, especially in the Middle East and Saudi and UAE. And rollouts and enhancements and other service that we, deliver. Staff augmentation is, we understand a lot of clients, purely look at staff augmentation. So that is one other service that we work with the clients, right? So we categorize our services into three LOBs, as we say. So first is the enterprise transformation services. So the S4HANA offered by SuccessFactors is one of the solutions that we use. It can be S4HANA public cloud, is S4HANA private cloud, it can be the Fiori applications, or it can be the CX, right? So all of these falls under the enterprise transformation services. At the moment, we have 35 customers, 90 plus consultants, and which is growing in this LOB that you have, and 3 partner use cases. One thing I want to specially focus upon is our development factory model that we have. So we are working with the large government entities in Saudi specifically. We have taken up the complete development piece of theirs, and we are doing it, completely ourselves. So they are offloading all of their development pieces to us, and we are delivering it by dedicating resources, right? So within these, we also have multiple, services, because it's about the cloud that we are looking at, right? So cloud seeding is what, we understand the existing landscape. We benchmark, a lot of KPIs for them and see how we can move onboard them to the cloud services, right? So these services are common across all the LOBs that we look at. Technology transformation services, I think this piece is something which the SAP is really focusing upon. So BTP platform of SAP, which stands for Business Transformation Platform, has multiple offerings within it. The SAP integration suite, which is plays a very critical role in any of the application landscape of clients, right? So typically, any client may have multiple applications within their landscape, right? So how do they talk to each other? Because having a system means they should all be integrated, talking to each other. There will be the minimal of manual or absolutely zero manual efforts, right? So the integration SAP is pretty strong at, and seamlessly the applications talk to each other. Build process automation is something which is very exciting and new, which SAP has brought in. So we look at what are the processes within the landscape which take a lot of manual efforts, right? Or there are multiple people doing the same job again and again. So we understand that. We try to build process automations. It can be an attended bot. It can be a lot of unattended bots which can just do the process for you, completely eliminating the manual interventions, right? So, but by implementing an ERP or by implementing a lot of solutions, what do you really want out of it, right? So you want the data, the quality data coming out of it, and then you have to analyze and get the right insights from that data. So there is where SAC, which is SAP Analytics Cloud, comes in, and we have been really successful in completely deploying SAC for a large number of clients, and they were able to realize the real value of all their application implementations through this one piece SAC that got in. Workforce transformation, if you ask someone who's Blueprint Technologies, people would say it is purely, workforce transformation services. That is the strength we have achieved in the market. A lot of success stories, a lot of workforce transformations that we have done. SAP SuccessFactors is one solution that we have been very successful. We have implemented for a large number of clients. SuccessFactors takes care of complete hire to retire process, right? So, so performance evaluation in SuccessFactors becomes like you're planning a holiday. So it's that easy and smooth, and payroll errors become like a myth. So we are trying to achieve, we kind of have those kind of successful stories in SuccessFactors. SAP Concur is another travel and expense management solution offered by SAP. We have deployed it for a large number of customers. We are working with a few government entities as well in Saudi, especially deploying SAP Concur, eliminating all their manual efforts for the travel and expense management. Qualtrics is more about the experience management. So all of these pieces we work on, but let me not deep dive into it, because for that I have my team as well here who are experts in all these areas. So we would be happy to talk to you in detail on any of these specific areas that you really want to understand more and collaborate. But I just want to showcase some of the clients that we really work. We have strong alliances, and we have been working with them, starting with companies like Aramco Trading. We are doing some projects with them. We have Marafiq, which is one of the biggest utility in Saudi, Saudi Aramco Shell, Saudi Aramco Total, Olayan Group, for example, one of the biggest private entities in Saudi. We have done multiple things for them. We have migrated them from ECC on-prem ERP to the S4HANA on cloud. We have done success factors. We have done Concur, REFX, Ariba, a lot of things for them, and the journey goes on. Companies like Alula, we are deploying SAP Concur for them. Yeah, so a lot of success stories that we have, SWCC, Oman Refineries, Al Safi Danone. So a lot of success. This is just a glimpse of what the kind of companies that we have been working in and success stories that we have built along the way. Some more global customers, but let us, connect one-on-one and discuss on any specific cases that you want to understand. Last, as I already mentioned in the beginning, we are Bangalore headquartered company, but we have offices in Saudi Arabia, Dubai, Mumbai, Canada, and US as well, and we're expanding to the Nordics as well. Thank you so much, everyone, for being very patient. I hope I didn't bug you much for the event. Thank you so much.